The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, doesn't constitute any financial advice. I will first cover what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'll try to keep the video short, guys. You guys already know my thoughts about this stock. Pretty much, we finally had that breakout of that support at that $88 level. So let's go over the overall pattern. Overall pattern is still a big range that we're inside of, and then on a micro scale there's another range that prices were inside of for a couple of months, which we finally saw a breakout of because there was a breakout on the top side, which will lead to an eventual breakout on the bottom side. You can see that last week, or even the beginning of this week, we got stuck at the midline and cannot push through, fell below the EMA, traded around the support, and finally pushed down and broke it. So it looks like they're coming back to fill in this gap right here, and maybe even the bottom side of the range at this $80 level. So if this breakout doesn't fail, which I don't think it will, if it does fail, that means we're gonna come back inside this orange range and trade inside of it, maybe even go back all the way to the highs at the $100 level. But if it succeeds, which I think it can, because I mean this whole thing is pretty bearish. You can see on a bigger scale we had a breakout over here, and which can lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So it happened on the micro scale, it can happen on the macro scale too. So that's what I'm thinking. We're getting a continuation of this down move, and it can be we can get a measure move down, and the target's right around the $78 level. If we double the range, which is another type of measure move you can use, that's the $75 level, which brings us back down to the lows of this downtrend. So still pretty bearish for BABA. No clear signs as right now, and it's gonna be a while before we see any bullish action. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for BABA. We did get a breakout of pretty much this downtrend that was going on for a couple of years, which is a good sign, meaning the downtrend is slowing down. That's why we've been going sideways versus before we were going down. So now we're just going sideways because traders noticed that break of the channel, but it doesn't mean it's over, because we usually go back down to retest the previous low point. So we're still below the weekly EMA. We're having a hard time breaking through and even staying above it. So very bearish chart. Looks like we're coming back down to the all-time lows for the stock eventually at that $60 level, and that could be a good potential reversal area for BABA. We'll have to wait and see. Normally when we get a break of a channel, we get two legs down, and that would take us right around the mid 60s, excuse me. So between the mid 60s and the high 50s could be a potential bottom for Alibaba, or at least some type of capitulation or sideways action before the eventual reversal back up to the highs. We'll have to wait and see, but that's all I have for BABA. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.